Want to keep your credit safe from identity theft? Here's how to set up identity theft protection on Credit Karma. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to activate identity theft protection on Credit Karma so you can monitor and protect your credit easily. Step 1. Log into your Credit Karma account on the app or website. Step 2. Navigate to the Identity Monitoring or Identity Protection section. Step 3. Review the available protection features, such as credit monitoring alerts and dark web scans. Step 4. Follow the prompts to activate the protection services you want. Step 5. Provide any necessary personal details and consent for monitoring. Step 6. Once activated, you'll receive alerts for any suspicious activity related to your credit. Quick tip: make sure your contact information is up to date to get instant alerts. Found this helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful financial guides. Thanks for watching.